knew that I would have to determine my own breast cancer treatment. I was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer last month, and it has been a wild ride of information, misinformation, and helpful and not so helpful friends and family. And I'm sure you're online and you're here, you're going to hear a lot of different things. So here's how I determine what's trustworthy or not. First, I made sure that I had second and third opinions with providers. My first start was with a breast surgeon. Then I made sure I saw 3. Doctors should give you the standard care of treatment, which is going to look very similar. In my case, breast cancer is going to look like surgery, chemo, and radiation, followed by some sort of aromatase inhibitor. But there's different orders that you might do this in, and there might be different treatments as well for your specific type of cancer. When I'm looking online and looking for information, I'm looking for treatments that have been tested in clinical trials and reviewed by medical experts used in hospitals around the world. Clinical trial testing involves humans. Treatments that are part of standard of care have undergone rigorous testing over time on humans and have been evaluated by different governmental agencies and also lots of medical experts. There's actually lots of clinical trials, and you can look at all the data online, see where the tests were performed and how many people were included. I also talk to different licensed doctors and specialists. So I don't just talk to a breast surgeon. I'm also talking to the oncologist. I'm going to talk to a radiation oncologist tomorrow. A lot of licensed doctors involved in my care, and they all address something different. Ask them a lot of questions, get second and third opinions if I need to, and I'm going to double check online when I do my research where this information is coming from, what other information I can learn from this, but I make sure that they're all peer-reviewed articles, that other medical experts are saying something similar, and that there have been clinical trials done on these treatments. I get why people are scared and searching for different answers, and nobody wants to go through chemo and radiation, and everyone wants to find a different solution that can solve their problem. It's a scary and daunting feat. I worked in cancer research for 10 years. I worked in the medical field. All of this is super scary to me. Having cancer and knowing about cancer or seeing other people go through it is completely different. It is your body, your choice. Make sure that your choices are informed. Make sure that you're using all the information available to you. Look to evidence-based medicine, evidence-based treatments, licensed doctors, licensed providers. Make sure that you're getting the best care that you can.